This is a charging bank that I will no longer ever leave home without. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this charging bank. It has some really amazing features that we're going to go over. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So recently, we went on a trip to do a conference, and I took this with me. And oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. There are multiple different ways to charge your phone. Right now I have it plugged in to one of my cell phones that was oh, there it goes. It was completely dead and it's charging it. I'm charging this one through USB-C. It also has on the side here, this will pop out. It has a lightning cable on this side, which is really, really nice. It came with the cable, so you can plug it in and charge it. It's got the USB-A, another USB-C, and then this shows how much charge this has. I just charged it all the way up so I could show you guys. You're going to notice here as well, it also has the magnetic charger, the wireless charging, where you can just set it on there. But then it has one other feature that I'm going to show you real quick here. So I flip the charger over. See this on the back? This is magnetic on the back here. You can take this and you can make it into a stand. Let me do it real quick for you. So see here, now I have it standing upright, which is really kind of cool. And then if your phone has the magnetic wireless charging, it's gonna go ahead and it will start charging wirelessly, and it mounts your phone. See, there you go. It mounts your phone. So you could watch movies on this, you could do whatever you want. You can also lay it on its side and it's still gonna stand up, like if you lay it this way. It's still going to be enough for it to stand up. You can watch some movies on it while it's charging. And then the other nice thing is you can just close this. And now it's on the back of the phone. You can hold your phone in your hand and it's still going to charge. So, or you can just have it sitting somewhere, set your phone on top of it, and then it will wirelessly charge that way. So this really does work great. This phone was at 0%. It's still pretty much at 0%. So it's charging it, you can see 0%. It's charging it. I wanted to use a phone that was completely dead to show you guys that it does have enough power to not only get it to turn on, but it will charge it. I used this for 3 days over the weekend that we were gone at our convention, and it was charged at 100%. This was when I started, and it only went down to 19%. So it charged my phone over the 3 days, and I only used it down to 19%. So it's going to last you quite a while. I love that it has the different options. I love that it's so compact. You can pretty much stick it anywhere. It fits right in your pocket if you want it to. And like I said, you can leave it magneted to the back of your phone. You can prop your phone up. So many cool options with this. Kira says she approves. Hi, sweetheart. So if you're looking for a great little battery bank for your phone, we recommend this.